farmers, blacksmiths, and shopkeepers, ready to fight at a minute's notice. The colonial Minutemen answered the alarm at Lexington and Concord, firing the first shots of the American Revolution and proving ordinary colonists could stand against the British Empire. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. The Minutemen were ordinary Massachusetts men, farmers, craftsmen, shopkeepers, who promised to be ready to fight at a moment's notice. They weren't a standing army. They lived at home, worked their trades, and trained part-time, yet they were disciplined and determined. Local leaders, often veterans of earlier wars, organized companies, enforced training, and earned loyalty through respect, not rank. Minutemen drilled with muskets, powder, and bayonets, practicing speed, formation, and marksmanship on village greens. Most Minutemen were between 16 and 45, teenagers standing beside fathers and grandfathers in defense of their towns. They weren't paid professionals. They fought for homes, families, local rights, and the belief that British rule had gone too far. When the alarm spread in April 1775, Minutemen dropped tools, left fields, and grabbed muskets, exactly as they had sworn to do. At Lexington and Concord, the Minutemen proved that citizen soldiers could challenge the world's strongest empire.